Alright, the last of these section drawings that I'm going to complete looks like what is on your screen right now. It's figure 1686. Tomorrow I will begin posting how we're going to put these into actual drawing format, and I'll go through all 4 of them for the setup process. And the day after that, I'll assign the remainder of the drawings and we'll move on. So hopefully I don't butcher this one right now. I am on my front plane and I'm drawing a center line to start. And I'm going to create my profile to look similar to what I see. I could add the chamfer now, or I could add the chamfer later at the top. I'm going to add it later. So my drawing looks something like this. And then I'm going to add those 3 components to the end later. So here's this. The shell is 0.25 thick, so I could do that with an offset later. And I'm going to start putting some dimensions. This might take me a minute. I do apologize, but this one is 5.05. This is 0.8. My next height over here looks like 3. And this should be 1.25. Again, those pieces that I'm going to add later will make a difference. Now I have a diameter of 0.373. At the top, at this point, I have a diameter of 1.25. And then it looks like at the bottom here, I have a diameter of 3. And at this point, 1.75. So that's fully defined this whole thing. I am going to offset a couple lines, and my shell thickness is set at 1/4 of an inch. So I'll set my offset to 0.25, and it looks like I'll select my chain. There are my lines. And extend, I should be able to extend this one over and draw a line right here. So that defines this entire thing. Now I do a feature and a revolve. The sketch is currently open. You don't want that to happen. Axis of revolution. Right here. Contours. Right in here. Alright, so that creates a majority of this. I'm not going to waste the time on the fillets. I will remind the chamfer at the top, which looks like it's 0.02 at 45. So 0.02. There's chamfer right here. And then I need to add the 3 components to the bottom of this. So I'm starting my sketch on the bottom, Control 8 to go normal, 2, selecting a circle, which will be for construction. I also need to convert this edge. Now I'm going to draw the circle at the 90-degree quadrant and define this at 3/4. The dimension is not provided, so I just determined 3/4. And now if I draw a center line, I can offset this in both directions. That's 3/8. And that should be enough at this point, where now I will go to feature, select my contours, went in the wrong direction, so I'm going to reverse that and type in my height of 0.5. I want to make sure merge results is on, check mark. And now what I will do is the circular pattern, my direction, just going to choose this edge, number 3, my features boss extrude, and select, and then I would go and use the hole wizard to put in the remaining holes. So that is completing figure 1686. Good luck.